Hi, and welcome to 3dmotive.com. My name is Stephen G. Wells, and I'm a senior 3D artist. In this volume, we're going to take a look at some of the alphas we want to use to be able to create some of the next-gen details on our particular Cthulhu sculpt. We'll start with the tentacles to start working on some of the basic shaping. We'll actually then move on to the torso. We're going to use a couple different methods for adding in some of the details. Check them out and see how they look as we're working on them. We'll also look to try and add some variations with that as we're working on it. We'll also show you how we can use a single alpha to create, in fact, multiple different ways by creating details on the pieces and yet also reverse that. We're also going to use some layers and some layer effects. We'll then continue working on some final details on the Cthulhu head. We're going to go back into the tentacles. We're going to add a little bit of like muscles into it because it wasn't quite fully developed, so we want to go ahead and finish that off. We'll finish off the gill areas, and then we'll actually go ahead and sculpt in some basic eyes so we have some ideas because this is a sculpt. If this was, again, a 3D model, I would have done that, but we will for this. And then we'll review the final model. Okay, so let's get started.